Taking a good picture involves much more than simply pressing a button. It is not only seeing what occurs through the camera lens at one moment, but what could happen to improve or diminish the result of a picture over the course of several moments. White balance is always important to pay attention to whenever a pale object is present in the photo grid. Just like sounds can clip when input sounds reach the possible limit, colors can clip or disappear from the image when there is too much light overpowering certain color channels in a photo. Resolution is also important in camera usage, so one might physically move a camera closer to the subject instead of zooming in. Buying a camera that allows for great zoom-in resolution is also a good decision to increase the number of pixels which make up the aspect ratio of a photo, and thus make images more clear when less pixels are visible. It is also useful to learn the features of the exposure triangle. Adjusting the shutter speed changes the duration of time that the film is exposed to light when the shutter opens. Less light provides less motion blur from moving objects, while more light results in more grain. To combat this, ISO, or the camera sensitivity to light, can be lowered so the image does not catch more light than needed. Likewise, aperture refers to the shutter opening, and can be increased and decreased according to the amount of clarity from light needed in a photo. A wider opening with the aperture causes a shallower depth of field, while a narrow opening will cause greater depth of field in the image. In class, my group focused on creating various moods in photos by adding different intensities and colors of lighting. Here, we are creating a softer light for our subject by covering a small yet bright light with paper. Here are some of our results with this method. We also gave the subject a red underlighting to provide an ominous effect. We also used red and blue light after experimenting with white overlight and backlighting to further balance the subject's appearance, while providing a beautiful result in the end.